All right, I'm going to show you how to mix the collagen peptides by Vital Proteins right here. I have Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides, 20 grams of collagen per serving. All right, so I have this right here, and I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to tap it down to make sure that none of the powder is caught up in the cap and will spill over. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Open the top right here. All right. All right, so that's the collagen in here. There's a scoop in here, so I'm going to grab the scoop that's right here. And I'm going to get 2 scoops of the collagen. It's 1. And then I'm going to get the second scoop, and I'm going to show you how it mixes together. All right. All right, so I have that in there, and I'm going to go ahead and close up. No, I'm just going to push this to the side, let you see that a little bit. And then the collagen's in here, and I'm going to show you how well it mixes together. So I'm going to take a spoon right here, and I'm just going to spin it like this. And look at it. The collagen, it dissolves really fast. It's unlike protein. You know how you put protein in water or whatever, and it's really hard to dissolve? The collagen peptides dissolves really well, and this is why a lot of people put this into their coffee, because it dissolves well and you can barely taste it. All right, so that's how to mix the collagen peptides. All right, let me know if you have any questions about this at all. Thanks a lot for watching.